Alright, we're back to the swamp here. Well, it's more of a big pond, but anyhow, something I forgot to mention to you guys back at the three-way is that whenever this railroad was still active, whenever the train was headed towards Culver, they got robbed by a few guys. And those guys never got caught. And they never found the loot. And once the train got robbed, they came through here and into Culver, whistles blowing. And everybody knew something was wrong. Came over to see what was wrong, and the people on the train were shouting out how they got robbed. And like I said a couple of seconds ago, the guys that robbed the train never got caught. A little bit of information for you.